Welcome, awesome people! The Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Certificate is the ideal starting point for beginner digital marketers, offering a comprehensive, industry-recognized foundation. Covering essentials like SEO, email marketing, Google Ads, and analytics, this course is designed for those with no prior experience. With Google's credibility backing it, the certification enhances your resume and connects you to job opportunities through its employer consortium. Compared to niche options like HubSpot or Facebook Blueprint, this program delivers a broader curriculum perfect for beginners. By applying what you learn, using free tools like Google Analytics, and building a portfolio, you'll gain practical skills to impress employers. As 83% of marketing roles now require digital skills, this certification sets you up for success while preparing you for advanced learning down the line. It's the first step to launching your career in a growing, dynamic industry. Check out the link to my article for more. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.